My name is Jody Piel. I'm a shift supervisor at hydroxylamine in Freeport, Texas for BASF. Well, when I was about in the third grade or so, me and my aunt were driving over the overpass outside the plant, and I looked over toward the plant and said, "Man, I want to work there one day." And she says, "No, honey, you don't want to work there." Well, about 15 years later, they were hiring, and she called and said, "Do you still want to work at BASF?" I said, "Oh, yes, ma'am." So I came over here and put an application in. About 6 months later, I started on April Fool's Day in 1996. I really enjoy being able to go outside and work on my equipment and fix things that need to be fixed, get it ready for maintenance, make sure that the people that are going to be working on it are safe and secure. I also like working with my team, like going out there and taking apart things, working together. And one of the proudest moments out here was when I got the first pat on the back that they accepted I had done a good job and that I belonged in that group. If I had to tell someone what it meant to come out and work as an operator or a technician in the plant, I would tell them it's like cooking on a grand scale, because you work on temperatures and you work on pressures and you make product just like you would be making something at your home. And you have the opportunity to be inside and work on the computer part of it, to where you see things going on that the computer's telling you, and catching a problem when it's a small problem instead of a big problem. That's one of the most important things that we do out here. As a female working in manufacturing, I prefer to leave the female term at the gate. When I come in the gate, I'm a worker. I'm not out here as a female or a mom or a sister or a daughter. I'm out here as a worker. We come out here and we do our jobs. We all bring a certain set of skills, and we also bring our insecurities, which as a team, we can pick each other up and help each other out, and all bring our skills to make a well-rounded group of people. So when it comes to mentoring young women that want to be where I'm at, want to work for a chemical company, want to be in production, my first advice to them is to come out as you are. Be ready to sweat and be ready to work, and there's a possibility that you might have to physically work harder and be smarter and be faster and be better, so that you can prove to them that you belong out here. And once you do that, everything's great after that. Everything's easy. Just keep coming and keep doing what you're supposed to do and put your best foot forward every single day. When I found out that I had been accepted, or I had been awarded the Step Ahead Honoree Award, I was shocked. I was excited. I felt very blessed that someone had recognized all the work that I come out here and do, just because that's what I do. And I think it's a very large honor for someone to think that highly of me.
BASF. We create chemistry.